and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. It had been raining all day, and Ebb had no one to play with. Ebb wished she could play with Flo. But somebody was having fun in the rain. It was a baby seal. Ebb wanted to join in. The baby seal had never met a dog before, but Ebb only wanted to be friends. Soon they were playing a wonderful splashing game. Things couldn't be wetter. Bird woke from her afternoon nap. At last it had stopped raining. But where was Ebb? She was still playing with her new friend, but he was tiring her out. Ebb needed a rest, and so did the baby seal. Right on top of Ebb. Ebb! Have you seen her, Bird? Bird flew off to look for Ebb. But she hadn't moved an inch. Then she saw Bird. Ebb was free, but they just couldn't wake the baby seal. The tide was coming in fast, and Ebb was starting to worry. She needed help. Ebb! Ebb! Where are you? What's wrong, Bird? Ebb, what's she doing out there? Oh, Ma! Ma! The mother had come to collect her baby. And Flo had come to collect Ebb. Oh, Ebb! Well done, Bird. Ebb was safe at last. Things couldn't be better.